Hi friends, welcome back to Circle Time. Let's get started with calendar and who can remember what the name of our month is? Starts with an A and it goes April. Very good if you said April. Nice job. Let's see how many syllables April has. Let's try snapping today, okay? So let's snap the word April and see if we can count the syllables. Are you ready? April. Did you hear it? Let's do it one more time. April. Good. If you said 2 syllables, you're correct. April has 2 syllables. It's a very short month. The sound of April is a short month. The month itself has been very, very long, I have to say, because we've been stuck at our houses, right? Oh my goodness. All right, so let's get on with the day. So the month is April. Let's figure out what today's date is. Do you see that number right there? There are 2 of the same numbers, right? The first one is a number 2, and the second number is a number 2. That's right. So when you see these 2 2s standing next to each other, that is the number. Does anyone know? If you said 22, you are correct. That is the number 22. Everyone say 22. Good. All right. We're going to put that number right here. So we have the month figured out is April. We have the date, which is the 22nd. We need to figure out what the day of the week is, okay? So yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Do you know what today is? If you said Wednesday, you are correct. Today is Wednesday. Very good. All right, let's do our days of the week song. Are you ready? All right. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, let's sing our other song that we learned this week, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job, you guys. So we figured out that today is April, or excuse me, the month is April. Today, the day of the week is Wednesday. The date is the 22nd. And then we have to figure out what the year is. The year. The year is right here. Remember we talked about that? It's 2020. It's called 2020. And do you hear the word year? Year. Year starts with the letter Y. I know. Are you guys ready? Let's do some counting, okay? So today, since we snapped our month, let's try and snap while we're counting. Snapping is tricky, but you can do it. I know you can. All right, you guys ready? Let's do some snapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Very good. That was a long ways to count. All right, so we have our month and our date and our day and our year, but we have to figure out our pattern. Remember we talked about how hard the pattern is, but we can do it. Let's work together. We can do it, okay? All right. So let's start with the umbrella because that is the starting of our pattern. That's how we started our month. So let's start here. It has umbrella, umbrella, raindrop, rain boot, umbrella, umbrella. What would be next, do you think, for tomorrow? What would the pattern be next? Let's take a peek. Let's see. Okay. All right. No peeking. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to give you a little hint. Ready? What is it? Did you see it? One more time. Oh, tomorrow will be a raindrop. Good job, you guys. That pattern is very difficult, but we've been in school long enough to know that we learn that when things are hard, it's because we're learning it, right? It's new to us, and this is a new pattern that we're learning. We've learned about our AB patterns, our ABC patterns, even our AAB or our ABB patterns. But now we got a big fat pattern learning right here. And this, my friends, is math. And that's how smart you guys are, learning math, right? All right, let's move on to our weather. I want you guys to run over really quick and look out your window and see what the weather is outside your window. Now remember, we are in Colorado, and because we're not in class together, our weather is in a different spot in Colorado. So sometimes it's not the same. I know it's kind of rude, but that is just how Colorado is. All right, are you guys ready? Okay, I'm giving you a couple seconds. Go run and look. Hurry, hurry. Look out your window and see if it's raining or snowing or whatever it's doing in Colorado, because that's how Colorado rolls. All right, so let's get started. How about we do this first? Is it sunny at your house? Sunny? I don't know. It's kind of sunny at my house. Kind of sunny. How about partly cloudy? It's partly cloudy, partly sunny, I guess is what we could call this one, because the sun still comes out, but the clouds get in the way. Should we put this one up or should we put this one up? All right, let's put partly cloudy up. All right, because that means it's still sunny outside. Yeah. All right, so how about, let me find my cards here. Snowy. Is it snowing today? Thankfully, no. No snow today, right? Is it windy? My trees kind of look a little bit like they're blowing, not too much. So we put windy up? Okay, let's put a little bit of wind. So we have a little bit of clouds, a little bit of sun, and then is it raining at your house today? It did a little bit, but we could put that up. It might rain, who knows? It rained a little bit, but not a lot. Okay, so, but I did check the temperature today, and it seems like we don't need to wear mittens and gloves and hats. So I feel like it's a little bit, it isn't warm enough to go to the pool, which is kind of sad. I know. I want to go to the pool too. But it's a little bit in this area. So what do you think? Is it cool or warm? Which one should we put it on today? Should we put it on warm? Okay. All right. That sounds good. That sounds really good. So we got the weather going. All right. I looked around my house yesterday. Remember when I told you to go look for some things that start with the letter Y? I found a couple more things. Not a lot, because Y is so hard. Well, a lot of things don't start with Y, but I found a book, and then I also found a couple things. So let's look really quick, okay? Remember we were talking about the letter Y, and it makes the y sound, right? And there's a picture of yarn on my letterbox. So let's look in here. I found, remember we talked about the other day the yellow T that I found, because yellow starts with Y. And then I found a yellow crayon, because again, yellow starts with Y. And then I found, remember we saw this, a piece of yarn, yarn, that starts with Y. And then I found this. It's not real. It's not real. I found this bug. And I know he looks like a bumblebee, but his real name is called a yellow jacket. So he'll still sting you, and he still buzzes around like a bumblebee and does the things that a bumblebee does, but it's a yellow jacket. So do you hear the yellow jacket? Again, there's the word yellow. That starts with Y. And then I found this in my transportation stuff. A yield sign. Can you say yield? That means when you come up to the sign, it means pause and look, and then if it's safe, you can go. But that has the yield. You hear the Y sound? Has the Y sound. And remember, we talked a little bit about yarn yesterday, too. A picture of yarn. I'm going to look again today and see if I can find some more things around my house that start with Y. So I want you to do the same thing, okay? I had one other picture I was going to show you in this book that I found, and it shows a picture of, you know what else I just thought of? Yogurt. Yogurt starts with Y. I have yogurt at my house. I can't put it in my Y box because yogurt will turn bad. But I bet if you look or ask Mom and Dad, they might have yogurt for you too. That starts with Y. And I want you to tell them, Mom, why isn't the word yogurt? Yogurt starts with Y. All right, this other picture right here, remember we talked about that the other day? Yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with Y. And this picture right here is the one I wanted you to see. Do you see that right there? That is a picture of an egg, and she is cracking open the egg. And inside the egg, do you see the yellow? Inside the egg, it's called the yolk. Do you hear the sound? Yolk. That starts with Y. Pretty cool, huh? All right, friends, that's all for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.